late 2019, I stood in wonder at the end of a gleaming new electric vehicle factory in an industrial district on the outskirts of Shanghai. 2-lane highways were being widened into 4, and high-rise apartments were creeping up into the sky. After the project finished, I came back to the States. It was the height of the pandemic, and I was living with my family in rural South Carolina. On each of the 3 major roads headed out of town, there was the almost silent rustle of vines and moss creeping up the sides of paper mills, steel plants, and other buildings where the last lights had been turned out decades ago. You see, globalization is nothing more than the sum of thousands of decisions made every single day by people and corporations around the world. So if we can think about the human effects that go into each of these individual decisions, we can start to influence them. Well, here in business school, the way that we're taught to think about decisions is first and foremost through models. But models only capture the first-order quantifiable effects that go into business decisions. They leave out the unquantifiable and the human effects of decisions. No model could have captured the bustle that I felt in Shanghai or the silence of shuttered doors in South Carolina. So instead of deferring solely to models, I urge you all to leave room for the unquantifiable, the human effects of the decisions that we'll make throughout our careers.